I just want to do a quick video of my VTX1300. That's the Bub Jug Hugger's exhaust. And it's a little loud. I don't know, I like it, but it's definitely loud. And this is aftermarket front here. A little fairing. I've had this bike for a few years. Love this bike. I'll never sell it. So, let's turn it on. And I'm missing a piece here. Huh, I should go get that piece. All right, let's go see if we can find it. Garage. Unacceptable. Unacceptable. Look. Oh. There's an empty one. These little buggers are everywhere. All right. Lights on. Okay. Let's see if we can find. All right, where are we looking for? My piece of the bike. There it is. All right, let's find it. You know, I bought the bike with this on it, and I've never taken it off because I kind of like it. I'm a hunter, kind of like it. Pretty cool. You can see here, I put some insulation on the garage door. I still got to do that bottom strip, but trying to keep it cool in here. I did that door too. Look, did that too. It's a mess in here right now, but I did that. I did all the windows. Windows, 4 huge windows, and I did do some upstairs too. Not upstairs. I did do some 3-inch, most of it's 3-inch between the rafters. It took me a long time because you had to cut that like perfectly, get it in there. And then I did the all along the corner too. Just trying to keep it cooler in here. It was 80, what was it today? It was 85, 88. And this is the temperature today. So in the morning it was cooler, it was 68, and then the heat of the day it went up to 73. It's been 73 for a while. Hopefully I'm gonna do that, and then I don't really want to finish all the walls in here, but I want to try to keep it as cool as possible. We'll see. 73 is doable, but let's go put this back on the bike. Alright, and great job. I left the key on, so that was dumb. But let's put this on. Let's turn this off for a second. That was nothing but a waste of juice. Total waste of juice. Alright, let's see. Alright, might help if we get it on right. You know, videoing and doing stuff at the same time is quite tricky. Put that one in. There we go, I got 2 out of 3. I think that's good. Let's see, is that better? Does that look better? I think I paid like $5 grand for this bike. I love this bike, I'll never sell it. All right, let's start her up. Okay.